Hi, I'm Aelita Archbold, a teacher, educator, and the creator of innovative leadership program for children, A+ Smart Little Leaders. Rule number 19. What to do if your child is a bully? As one of my friends suggests, if your child is a bully, has a big ego, makes excuses, lazy about chores, a know-it-all, abusive to their mother, shows prejudice, and unmotivated, cut it short and now. And I fully agree with this. Summary: what to do if your child is a bully? Cut it short and now, because later it can be too late to do that. Rule number 20. Don't gossip or tear others down in front of your children. Don't gossip or tear others down in front of your children, since that will readily backfire. You as parents should not gossip or tear others down in front of your children. Simply, this is not a good thing to do, because your children may lose trust and respect in you as a parent. And when your children become adults, most likely they will gossip too. At school, bullies using gossiping as a way to humiliate and put their peers down. Not only does gossiping shows bad manners, but it also damages children-parents relationships. And this is especially important to be aware of for families who came to America from different cultures and have that habit in their cultural background. Summary: don't gossip in front of your children, since that will readily backfire. Rule number 21. Show interest in your children's interests. How do your children get introduced to different activities that later they can be interested in? You are the person who introduces your children to things that you think they may like and enjoy. When they are little and you have more control over your children, create interests in your children that can benefit them in their future life. When my children were little, my husband and I created and supported their interests. For example, we took them on a tour to a local YMCA, showed them all the classes and activities. And my children said that they wanted to learn to swim, how to swim. We enrolled them in swimming classes. They liked to see how things work, and we became members at the Museum of Science and Industry. They liked this museum so much, and so the parents. They liked to travel, and we would take them to different places. We even would take them to the Symphony Center in Chicago, where they listened to classical music. We would take them to the Ravinia Festival. And now, when one of my sons is in pre-medical school, when he is preparing for his tests, he likes to listen to classical music because it helps him better remember things he has to learn. My two sons like to read books, and a few times a week I would take them to the library, and once a month we would buy new books for them. Even now, when the world is penetrated with various electronic devices, it's your responsibility to create interest in things other than iPhones and iPads. Limit their time with devices and instead take them to places where they can interact with other children, can learn new things, have fun, and can advance their communication skills. Summary: show interest in your children's interests and create new exciting interests where your children can communicate with other children and have fun activities that will help them bond with you, their parents. If you like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends, and give it a like, as it is a virtual way to say thank you. And of course, come to my consultations and I will work with your child so that they become confident and successful citizens. Live long, stay strong, be successful.